Yeah, I think the first is figure out if their interest in your product is exploratory
Mm,
versus there's a real initiative in place for their job, right? At the end of
mm,
the day, we all have a job to do that probably is a laundry list of 10 to 20 tactile activities that need to be done. And if we're not one of them, we're kind of just wasting their time and wasting ours. So how do we get on that list? Ideally, we're already on it, right? Ideally, we can correlate what we're selling to one of their laundry list items. And so there's a number of ways to do this, either, just by doing some research online, looking at a company's 10K or something to see what are their actual initiatives in place at a corporate level,
mhm.
or obviously the personal level, just calling them and saying, hey, like, what's your job? Like, what are you working on? And then seeing if somehow we can marry our service or a product to what they're actually doing.